Hi everyone, welcome to BISP Trainings. I am Faizana, working as a functional consultant at BISP. BISP is a tech company providing technological solutions across the world. In today's session, we will learn about the cash flow statement and how does this cash flow statement looks in our NetSuite application. So let's start. A cash flow statement is a financial statement that provides us the aggregate information or data that are related to all the cash inflows and cash outflows during a particular period, and it also show their effect on the overall cash balance of the business. A cash flow statement is a financial statement which acts as a bridge between the income statement and the balance sheet. It shows by showing that how much money is moved in and out of the business. Along with it also measures the performance of a company. It measures how well a company manages its cash position, how well the company generates cash, and along with the measurement of the performance of the company. It is important since it helps investors in determining whether a company is on a solid financial state or situation or not. And along with that, it allows the investors to understand where its money is coming from and how it is being spent. So this is how a cash flow statement operates in the business. If I talk about the activities that are there in the cash flow statement, so it has been divided into three categories or activities. First one is the operating, the other one is investing, and the next one is financing activities. If we talk about the operating activities, so it shows the net income and the and the impact or effect of the revenue that are being generated in the business. Next we are having is the investing activities. Investing activities records the impact of any purchase or sale of assets that are there in the business. Last we are having and what is the effect of that purchase and sale on our business or cash. It helps in the analysis of it. Now the other one is the financing activities, which is concerned with how our company's financing activities affect cash. It includes loans, repayments, distributions, and all. So these are the three activities on which our cash flow statement is based. Moving on to the NetSuite application, for having the view of cash flow statement, we will be going under the reports, financials, and cash flow statement. So here we can see a cash flow statement window has opened up before us. The first thing that we have just discussed now, the operating activities that are there in the business, the adjustments, all the adjustments relating to the cash transactions have been made under the operating activities relating to accounts receivable, unbilled receivables, and all. After having the operating activities, we would be having the total operating activities, and we have to subtract or deduct the investing activities from it. Next, our concern is investing activities, and after investing activities, we would be having our financing activities, and at the end, we will be having the, after making all the adjustments and changes, we can have the cash at the end of the period. So this is how a cash flow statement looks like. From the other statement that we have discussed earlier, income statement and balance sheet, the period of cash flow statement can also be customized from here. The quick filters are given with the help of which we can change the period into quarter or year. And also we can, if we want to have this cash flow statement for any particular period, like for any month or quarter, we can change it from or to tab. Subsidiary, selecting subsidiary is also an important thing in the NetSuite application. Accounting book is to be selected. Next thing we are having is the column. It is usually taken as total, but if we want to display this cash flow statement, the amount of this statement, sorry, for any particular class, department, location, or I would say the subsidiary, so we can change it from here, but it is usually taken as total. We want to have the I would say the display of this cash flow statement in the total. Likewise, these options are here. If we want to have this cash flow statement under the plain or grid format, we can change it from here. It can be collapsed. The cash flow statement can be collapsed. Like we would be, after clicking on that, we would only be having the operating, investing, and the financing activities, and at the end we would be having the cash balance. On clicking on the expand tab, it will give us the detailed view of the cash flow statement. Next option is we are having is the graphical representation of the cash flow statement. Here we can see if we want to display this cash flow statement under the graphical form, so we can change it. Like here you can see a bar graph is it is represented under the bar graph form. If we want to change it under the pie chart, so you can see a pie chart is given over here. If we want to have a view under the line graph, we can have it, but it is usually advisable to take a bar graph. Under this top tab now, we would be having the items that we want to display under our representation. Like I want to display only 5 things, so you can see the items has been or sorry, the transactions have been reduced to 5. So this is how we can change represent this cash flow statement under the graphical representation. Another thing we are having is we want to export this cash flow statement under the Excel sheet or PDF or Word CSV format or Word document. We can change it from here. And after doing all these things, we click on refresh, and the changes that we have made will be saved in our cash flow statement. So this is how the cash flow statement looks in our NetSuite application, and how we can customize the periods and the rest of the things with the as per our preferences. In case of any questions, queries, or consultations, feel free to write to us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.